I squirreled out on that kingfisher for a minute. He was carrying the herring again. There we go. No, thank you. No, thank you.
Got a nice cast for you.
Yeah, thanks, buddy. That fish is so big. Boom, 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 boom. Rapid fire. Rapid fire blue heron.
Two jets chasing each other. Is there a war going on right now?
Yeah, there is in a country called Ukraine.
Ukraine? Yeah, I know that.
That's one war that's going on, and Donald Trump's trying to stop it, but this
Okay, so what?
guy that runs
Who are they
Ukraine,
fighting against?
Russia.
Russia?
Yeah.
Oh, we already know who's going. Is that Kingfisher?
No, that's Morning Dove.
So I think Russia's gonna win. Who do you think?
I mean, yeah, it's I don't know. I don't know what to think about this whole stupid thing anymore.
I don't either. It's just 2025 is different
It's,
from the old days.
this guy who's running the Ukraine is just okay. The guy who runs Russia is a nut too. The guy who's running Ukraine is off his meds or something. The guy has lost the plot. He's out to lunch, dude. Donald Trump keeps trying to get this guy to like come to terms with the fact that he's gonna lose. I mean, nobody's on his side here, but he won't give it up, man.
Dad, you want to see
This is that jerk that keeps showing up to the White House in a t-shirt. Hey,
I want to look for you.
there's nothing on there. I don't want to fish with that. I don't want to fish with this.
Okay.
I just want to do one. I want to get some of those little rod, steaks.
Oh, is it?
Kingfish is an elusive bird to get.
What's the kingfisher trying to get?
What?
What's the kingfisher trying to
Fish. But he's like
get? No
waiting.
way he's gonna get a flying fish.
No, not a flying fish, but he's gonna fish on fish that's in this pond. Nothing. You just got Bust a Move on your mind. It's funny. It's a great song.
Yeah, it's stuck in my head,
Some songs are timeless, man. Just like Bust a Move.
man. Bust move. You
Come on, Fat Soul, just bust a move.
You want, you get.
Bring it down for the fellas.
Yeah, watch this. I feel like all my casts are good. They go pretty decent. You want to go back to our old spot?
Do I want to? It's a long walk for me, homie.
Yeah,
You can inch over there if you want.
you're probably right.
That's a long walk for me, bro.
Yeah, you're probably right.
You know what? I'll tell you what.
No,
Let's watch it. We watch the truck. I'll drive over that other.
you know what? Never mind.
All right.
I want to stay
So I'll
here.
do it. It's just I can't.
No.
That's a long walk for me in one spot.
I just want to stay here.
All right, dude.
I want to stay here too.
All right, dude. Oh, gosh. They gonna land?
Where are they?
I don't know. They're about to land. Oh wait, no, they're over there. I see them. They're about to. There they are.
They're in the water. We're both big fat dum-dums.
Well, I thought I heard some in the distance too.
Yeah, I did too.
I missed it. Yeah, I love watching them take off. There's Larry. There's Larry by himself. Way to go, Larry. You missed it. He's like, what's going on? Guys, where you going? Guys, come back, guys. Larry. Larry, you're a dumbass, Larry. They left without you, Larry. How you feel now, Larry?
I feel like an idiot slash dumbass.
I'm an idiot. What is it? An idiot sandwich?
What are you?
What are you?
No, it's like
Idiot
this.
Sandwich.
No, here. I'm gonna do it to you, okay?
What?
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
What are you, an idiot sandwich? I'm sorry. I'm just an idiot sandwich.
How much is an idiot sandwich?
He might get one right
I
now.
know. I got the camera on him. Her. No, we don't know. Hey. We don't know. Oh, got robbed again. Robbed again. That's a lab. That's a lab. That's pretty dope.
He's just like, Tilly, come on, sit. Baby, sit.
Can't believe that fish got. Just cut that hook. Just the hook's gone. Oh, no more cheap hooks. That's a hook's a hook's a hook. I'm wrong. 3 hooks broke on this week.
You guys have good luck.
Thanks, bud.
Oh, Dad, what's that? Morning dove?
I don't see it.
No, it's right there.
Oh, that? It's, I can't tell now. It's a chimney wisp. I'm not sure though. They look like big flying cigars.
Cigars?
They look like flying cigars. Yeah.
Yes.
What? Yes.
S.
Look.
S for song.
Look at that escargot.
Look at the size of that S.
I can't believe I lost that fish. I can't believe that happened. Look at this line on. Where this line come from?
I didn't do it. I didn't do it. Oh, I did do it. Nobody knows. Amino acids.
Yeah, so season the water, buddy. Season that water. No, season it. Make it spicy. Right there.
Good catch, Dad.
Thanks, buddy.
Yeah, this looks like a sea fishing rod. Have you ever seen those 500-pound tunas?
Yeah.
They
Yeah,
have the
yes.
boat with mini cranes.
Well, I don't know about that, but I saw one guy pull. He snatched this gigantic yellowfin tuna. I don't know how much it weighed. He didn't say how much it weighed, but it was big, man. He was like, "We're gonna need a bigger boat, big."
Is the same
Boom!
thing
There goes a heron. There you got one. Did you get one? I don't know. It's too far away.
that
She said it was
tuna.
herself.
Can tuna breathe out of water?
No, no fish can. That's not true. Lungfish can, but
So flying fish can't?
no.
Flying sharks can?
Oh, you're. See what I have to deal with, people. He aimed it at. Oh, we're outside and that's terrible. Thank you. Oh, good God. They're spawn of hell.
Farts are funny, remember?
Farts are funny, but not sometimes they're tragic. Like that. They're outside.
Oh, that
And so
means
it's
Dave, your farts
outside's
are
full
a
of air, and somehow I'm getting
Your farts are a
it's
lot
like an open
worse.
grave.
That being a Davey.
It's really an open grave, dude. I'll tell you what it is.
Where's the picture game
Oh, that I don't know. They would be in here if there were any, but I don't know if there are any.
We didn't eat it.
Oh, they might be in here. They might be there.
Who cares?
I'll let you look. I lost one of my wieners. Lost a wiener.
Minus one wiener.
I lost a wiener. Dude, we're out of bait too, though.
No,
Like we do. We're like, there's not much left in there.
you can call Mom.
Mom doesn't want to get my bait.
Look how big that hot
Mama
dog
tells us to do something unceremonious to ourselves.
Yeah, she's probably asleep.
No, she's awake. We just talked to her, dum-dum. She said she was very awake, remember?
Yeah.
All the snails that were just born in your snail hatchery.
Oh, there goes one.
Right on.
Pretty decent.
Right on.
How long did you go to study birds?
It wasn't birds, it was college, it was just zoology, but I ended up getting a job working with birds at the school.
Remember how you used to work as a construction person?
Yeah. That wasn't
was
with
at
birds,
the
though.
very beginning when I met you.
Mm-hmm.
Remember the pit bull? I think it was a dog, right?
Yeah.
Nina. Oh, is it showtime?
No,
you're
I'm
really
just moving it. Get some of that wiener flavor all over in the rest of the water. Gotta drag that wiener around the bottom of the pond. The wiener might get hooked on hooks down the bottom of the pond, but we've got to drag it around the pond anyway. I mean, that's the way you got to do with the wiener. You got to do it.
Daddy, will you help me catch fish?
Yeah, since we catch fish, get some fish. Yeah, we do. We can try net fishing. We try get a net and see what the fuss is all about. Seems like that would be like an art form.
Dad, I touched the bottom.
Did you?
I touched it right now.
Okay. I wonder what y'all go down there by Karen the Heron. She knows where the fish are, dude. Dude, why is nothing fighting here,
I
man?
know.
This is so dumb. Nothing's fighting here. Let's move. Let's get out of here. This is stupid. Keep pulling back empty hook after empty hook. And you know what else? That too. So,
So are we leaving?
no, we're not gonna leave, but we're gonna move. What do you say we move? You wanna move?
Move to houses?
No. We're gonna move. Where do you wanna move? Do you wanna move down that way? Or do you wanna move over to our spot? Over there.
Let's move this way.
Okay. That way?
Why, is that okay?
That's fine, just saying. Interesting.